How much difference can window film really make? Let's test it. We'll be using a solar transmission and power meter, a tool that measures how much heat and energy passes through the glass. The higher the numbers on the meter mean that more heat and UV rays are coming through the glass. And the lower numbers mean that more of the UV rays and heat are being blocked. So let's start testing. First, we have just regular glass with a heat lamp behind it. And you'll notice that the reading is in the 400s. One of the most common misconceptions about window film is that you have to have a dark film in order to have performance results. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you what a dyed film, of how it reduces a little bit of the heat, but is not anywhere near to the performance of the way that this clear film is produced. As you can see from the test, the darker the film doesn't necessarily mean more protection. At Gravity Graphics, we install a full range of architectural window films, including solar control films, safety and security film, and decorative films for homes, businesses, and vehicles. So give us a call so we can find the best solution for you.